Tara, tara. Excited na excited to.
Wait. Tatawid tayo. Anak mo na ito. Ay, marami activity. Ay, hindi na. Ano ito mga bahay dahil?
Oh, yata. Mga bahay dati.
Bahay dati yung mga ano.
Kaya pala ganyan design.
Oo, nirenovate na lang yan eh. Pero dati magigiba na yan. Dati mga kahoy-kahoy lang yan. Ano ba, naragyan mo na siya. Kaya panaramong pura na mumuti. Doon tayo anak, doon tayo.
Sabak niyo muna po. Ay, mami house na.
Dito tayo, dito. Sasakay tayo. Ay, dito tayo sasakay. Ayun o. Tiya, ayun o, doon. Dito tayo.
Doon. Ako.
Anak, dito tayo.
Ako.
Wasan pa dito, anak. Dito.
Oy.
Dito tayo. Wasan pa tayo.
Iya, dito tayo.
Ay, ano ba naman? Ay, saka naman. Ay, nasira ito mo. Oh, anak, oh. Dito tayo. Sampa. Dito tayo. Hawa ka, ha?
Oh, sandali. Ito na ang aking pamilya. Parami ng parami.
Go. Dahan lang. Tama ako si Will.
No. Ikaw ang bata, kaya ikaw na mag-ikot niyan.
Nanay, hindi tuloy ako agad. Mamaya na.
Sige, sakay. Sakay, Ira.
Wait, dito ako. Para balance lang yung ano. Bawa ka.
Wow!
Natandaan lang, nakakahilo. Hilo na ikaw.
Ay, sorry, akala ko hilahan eh.
Mami, ayoko na. Ayoko daw. Wait.
Tama na, nakakahilo na daw. Nahilo na.
Bahala na kayo dyan, bye-bye.
Nahilo na kami, Daddy.
Kumapit ka ng kumapit ang julong mo ha. Pinapractice na natin.
Umano ka maayos.
Upo ka na maayos.
Kapit ikaw mabuti ha. Ha? Apa.
Yan.
Yay! Ay, wag ko yan. Mamaya.
Kumapit ka mabuti mahulog ka dyan.
Can you wait?
Tayo, ayun o, may bilang pa rin siya. Dito. Dito, may bilang pa rin siya. Dito tayo.
Hawak ka mabuti ha.
si Lakbo din daw. Duyan, duyan. Duyan ang bebe ko. Huwag mo ganyan yung sis mo. Ayan, nervyos. Nervyos ka, anak.
Ako din ba nababa ako? Mami, wag mo na ako hilahin.
Ako sa damuhan, mga buhang. Dito sa damuhan at puro lupa. Damuhan. Damuhan, damuhan, damuhan. Mamaya umanin na. Hindi yan umihiga rin na umaga. Dali, tatat.
How old your husky? You forgot? What is your name? What? Door? Gore? Thor?
Thor.
Ah, Thor.
Si Thor pala siya.
Ah, that's my idol, no? Marvel. Thor. My Thor.
How many nipples do they have?
They have 20 nipples.
Ay, doon ka banda para kuha yung dalawa. Ay, si Daddy, oh. Yeah, Daddy! Ay, si Daddy! Tingnan kay Daddy! Yay!
No, I think they have
6.
6.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Ah, lakbot.
Anak, halika dito. Teka, si Bolak. Bolak, halika dito. Ay.
I have
Teka, anak.
dogs.
2 dogs. Ay, good.
My auntie owns the other dog.
Ah, really? Yeah, that's nice.
Lakbo,
The
halika dito.
other dog is a golden retriever.
Ah, golden retriever.
Yeah, but mine is a husky.
Yeah. Me, I have in my house a British bulldog.
A bulldog, a British bulldog.
Yes. But she's in my home in Manila. I can't bring her here because it's too big. It's too big.
He's so big.
Yeah.
Is he bigger than my husky?
Huh? No, the bulldog is maybe like this. A little bit big in the size.
Teka.
This one is Lakbo.
Lucky.
Lakbo.
Lucky.
Yeah.
So cute na.
Ah, you like Lakbo?
Daddy, oh.
Boat.
Ah, boat.
Tsura mo nga kami doon. Ayan, oh. Nakasampa si Bolak sa akin. Ito na. Hindi ko makita.
So how old are you?
7.
7? Ah.
I'm 7, but
Bolak, halika dito.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Tingin me. Ayan, tingin. Hi. Shh, shh.
Ay. Ay, grabe ang init.
This is bulak.
what does bulak eat?
Bulak, yeah, I told you already. Ham.
Haba lang eh. Ang haba
What
lang
about
ng
the
tiyan.
other one? Labo.
Yeah, same.
The same?
Yeah, chicken, ham, bacon, cheese, egg.
Why do I keep getting fleas on my body?
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know? Where's your parents?
My parents,
Yeah.
my ate is somewhere here.
Here.
My ate is somewhere here in the playground.
About your parents,
I think they
Ah, at port. Who's with you now? Your lolo?
Dumi-dumi na ng damit ni mami.
Come. Ah, papakilala ko sa'yo. This is Thor. And this is Jilong. Yeah. Pinakilala ko. Oh,
Ito nga, ang dumi. Papakandong pa rin. Tia! Tia! Kasama pa ni...
oo, kasama.
Abang ka dun, daddy. Napakot. Doon. Dito. Anak ka dun, anak ka dun. Dito. Anak, dito. Dito tayo, magpapadulas tayo. Natatakot. O, dito. Ay, dito. Alam, umihi. O, dito. O, ayan na.
Ah, dali. Push.
Diyan tayo. O, diyan tayo. Ay, diyan tayo, anak.
Ah. Yay!
Yeah.
Yay!
Ay, nakadapa.
Dumaan ka dyan. Balik ka dumaan dyan. Matibay yan.
May dala kasi ako. Yay! Napaihi sila ako. O, baba. O, baba. Yay! Pagod pa? Ang init ni Bona. Ano lang? Yay! Hawak kay mami, hawak. Hawak kay mami, ha? Hawak. Bababa. Sumasampa kanina doon, daddy. Gusto. Sumasampa. Balak. Tingnan mo nga si Buta. Balak.
No, pag ako, ang tahimik eh. Oh, alam mo.
Balak.
Mabait. Sabi ko, umiga eh. Yan.
Tapos lang.
How are you, Thor?
Wow!
How are you?
You're so creative.
Can you come here?
Balik daw kami dito.
Yeah. We're friends already, Thor.
I'm to borrow. I'm so sorry.
Right? We're friends already?
Even though, and then, no, here's the deal. So, leave, and then after tomorrow, you come back.
Nadi ako na, ito ulit.
Yeah, we will go back. So we keep in touch, ha?
Yes, we'll keep in touch.
We keep in touch.
We're going to visit you again.
I like you to meet my Geelong. You know Geelong? This is Geelong.
No, her name is Tia.
Yeah, Tor. This is Tor. And this is Geelong. Okay?
Wow, I love that name. It's like a superhero. Yes, that's superhero.
My Tor!
Yes, like that.
I don't know when I hammer.
Your hammer? Okay, tomorrow I will bring you a hammer.
When I was this small, I had toy hammer.
Ah,
When I was this small.
Yeah, you're still a baby, but you're a big boy now.
Can we play baby? But
ito ba yung kasama niya?
And your sister niya.
Oh, yeah, na-meet ko na yung sister niya. Kanina tinatanong ko kung sino kasama. Kayo po ba ang kasama?
Her ate daw.
Ano po? Ano po? Apo nyo? Or alaga nyo?
Mommy, I'm 5 na.
Ito sa...
5 na.
How old are you?
5.
5.
I'm 4.
You're 4, Geelong?
Kami ito tayo.
No, 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 no.
Ha?
Dito lang, dito lang.
No.
No.
Yan o. Dito pala, lipat tayo dito anak, may upuan doon.
Yeah, ayaw nila dyan. Yeah. I'm a superhero.
Alright, yes.
Dito. Dito tayo sa kabila para makaupo si mami. Dito.
I will post this one, this record on my YouTube. Yeah. Now, right now, I'm shooting you. So you can see yourself in my vlog.
How are the dogs?
What?
How are the dogs?
How's the dogs?
How are the dogs?
Yeah, I think they're fine.
My ate is there in the white table.
Yeah.
There.
They're
There,
coming.
there's Riri. There's Riri.
Yeah.
Your new friend?
Oh, my brother.
What's her name?
What's a oh,
Her name is Valkyrie. Okay, we'll call you Riri. Yes.
Ano pangalan? What is your name again?
This is Buzz Lightyear.
Riri?
No, her name is Valkyrie.
But
Her
my
nickname
nickname is
Riri.
Riri. Pet the dog.
Riri, and this is
Yeah.
Geelong. I'm
This
the
is
what?
Bulak.
I'm the water.
Her name is Bulak.
To make some coffee, you
In
know?
English, it's
Wow! Baby, come
Coffee.
here. This is Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah, boss night.
I'm gonna put it in your nose. Mami, balik mo po sa akin yun. Never,
Just be careful, ha?
never kick someone in the nuts. Mami, wag mo na. Bitawan mo na ako.
Ah, galing ka ba ni Tia?
Asa sa'yo.
My name is Water.
Come here.
And your name is Cream and Coffee. So we will make some 3-in-1 coffee later.
My name is Lizard.
Lizard?
Yeah,
I thought your name was Thor.
Your name is Lizard?
What is your
My name is Sardly. You know Sardly?
what?
Lizard.
I'm the house lizard. I protect the coffee. I'm a house lizard. I protect the coffee. I protect the houses from flies. Because
Flies?
I eat- yeah.
You eat the flies?
Yeah, and then so no one will get. So the flies won't suck blood.
Ah, really? Me, I protect. My name is Bugar. So I protect the nose.
Whoa. So what do you do in the nose?
And the nose, I just protect the virus coming inside in the Bugar.
Oh.
Ano na
Ooh,
sinasabi?
what's that thing in your side?
What?
I'm gonna crawl in it.
Joker yan eh, Joker.
Oh, you watch us, ah? Later, you get my YouTube name, ha? I will tell to your...
YouTube channel.
Again?
Yeah, you remember my channel?
I forgot.
Oh, you tell to your...
Oh, you didn't.
Who's that?
His channel ah.
Oh, it's a cat. It's a cat.
Yeah. Ano yata? 5 yata siya.
Already 5 years old.
5 years old, no? You're...
I'm not 5 years old.
What?
How old are you now?
7.
7.
Kaya pala matured na siya magsalita.
But I'm 7, but I'm short.
Maybe your father is short.
No, but
No.
you're cute. It's fine.
He's tall?
Kaya
Up here.
pala matured na.
High
Kala ko
five.
4 years old. Mga 4 or 5.
Nice meeting you.
Oh, nice meeting you, ha? Don't forget my name. Sardly.
What?
What's your name again?
My name is Ira.
Ira. Can we play salamander string?
I don't know that. Can you teach me?
It's like pretend the grass is water and you have to drink. And you have
But we don't have a shovel. Do we need a shovel?
Only we have bulunggoy. You know bulunggoy? Bulunggoy. Yeah, bulunggoy. Yeah, bulunggoy. You know bulunggoy? Okay. Yeah, bulunggoy. This is bulunggoy, you know?
Daddy ko. Mamaya pag-uwi niya sabihin sa
What?
parents niya.
It's a robot cat.
Yeah.
That's a robot.
Mamaya sabihin sa parents niya, Dad, can you buy me
These shoes
balloon?
are so clean.
Clean, yeah.
Ano sinasabi mo?
Because I love shoes.
You take care of
Nice
them.
shoes.
Yeah.
He lives in the
They look
neighborhood.
expensive.
Yeah, it's look expensive. Yeah, you're right. This is expensive.
Ang bata, it looks like expensive.
Of course, because of materials.
My tita named Tita Bell is rich.
Rich?
You look rich.
Daw?
Oh
What the heck?
sabi niya, what the freak?
What the...
Tapos namin yun, oh.
This is Geelong, ha? The center of attraction. Geelong.
Hindi yan. Uy, ayaw niya na.
Yeah,
Sa kabila, oh.
yeah, careful ah.
Ito tayo sa kabila.
What apete?
This is the news. Apete. The news is
Oh,
about
apete.
boom.
Aha.
Apete.
Oh, Geelong.
Apete.
Apete. Yeah.
Face. I found something. It's the news. Really? I found the news. This is the news. Oh no! Are we gonna team up? I'm gonna team up with you. Oh! It's the affected sky. Parang galing ko panalo
Okay.
din ako. Because there's even monster earth. Mami, doon muna kami. I'm gonna show you. Girl!
Okay, Sean.
When I wear my slippers, it's so warm that my feet get sweaty. So when I'm like this, I just remove my slippers because it's cold this one. I like it. Ay, nahulog ka! Balik ka dun! Boom! Boom! Uy! Whoa! Whoa! Ah! It's a very Alam na. Wala na tayo magagawa pinapalit ka na. Wala na tayo.
Be someone better, you can grow into something new. I could be anything that I set my mind to. I do what I need, I can push right through. Fight through those things that are holding me back from the life that I like to have. I'm like, give me time, I'll be just fine. You thought I was worth leaving behind? Get out of your mind, I'll come back better than ever, no matter the weather. Greater than I've ever been, that's my new